So for 37, we want to add this sentence. Successful communication is essential if a designer's idea is to become a reality. And it's considering adding it, the writer's considering adding it right here. So let's just again quickly review not review, but look at the context. So what comes before and after, and then decide if we should add the sentence. So you have all this stuff. So it will never be translated into a video game unless it is communicated effectively to all the other members of the video game development team. And then afterwards, you have a designer must generate extensive documentation and explain his or her ideas and so on. Okay. So this sentence, adding it in, successful communication is essential. It sounds a lot like what was just said here. It currently doesn't really provide much of a transition into like documentation or whatever, just because it doesn't mention that. And it doesn't actually really offer any new information compared to what we were just told here. Like we were just told that effective communication is necessary in order for the video game to for the concept to be translated into a video game. So it seems like this probably shouldn't be added, just because it just sort of repeats what was just said without actually adding a transition into our next set of thoughts. So A and B are out. What about C? No, because it distracts from the focus of the paragraph by introducing irrelevant material. It doesn't actually introduce any irrelevant material. Again, it just sort of repeats what was already said before, so it doesn't introduce anything. And it's certainly on topic, so it doesn't distract from the focus. But D expresses it exactly correctly. It merely reformulates the thought expressed in the preceding sentence, which is exactly what we have here. So D is our answer.